Stop that! Stop! Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! Chooks, it's obvious this girl is smarter than we thought. What do we do now?
What else? If not to return to the market. It's obvious we've lost her. She's lucky.
We'll certainly get her. Let's go.
May Amadioha and all the existing deities in this land scatter that pit in your face you call mouth with Akaudo for asking me that stupid question. Idiot.
Thank you. Papa, thank you.
Where are you coming from?
See, Papa, I don't like all these questions you're asking me in this house. So. Now, can someone just drink water and keep cup in this house for you and Mama? See, I don't like this thing. No. Now, back one side, though. Back one side.
Oh, you are talking to me. Urudia came here and reported that you packed all her banana and ran away without paying for it. Why?
Papa, Urudia came to this house. She come this house. Hey! Papa, what time did she come? What time, which time, and which minute?
Are you asking me?
See, this man, I don't get your time. Oh. See, I don't have that. See, I don't have this kind of time. Oh. I don't get your time. See, take a chill pill and relax. In a numb, when you're quaranta, you cough anyhow. You give me. See, don't man, give me to back. Nah, back.
You are talking to me.
Nah.
Anyone come back here?
Nah,
you dare walk out on me.
Quaranta, man. Get back.
No. Come back here.
No.
You dare walk out on me. More your father.
Nah, this woman thinks she will just come to my house and report to my father of ordinary banana. Ordinary banana or common banana that is even purging me since yesterday. Nah, these women self in this village, they want to try a normal. Nah. You will be the one to prepare this food. Hey, Jinek. Mama, it's your turn to cook today. So go ahead and cook it. What is it, Seth?
My turn, Pa. Since when did we start whose turn it will be to cook and not to cook?
Mama, it's today, oh. It's today. Maybe it's my turn tomorrow. But for today, cook the food very well. And don't put too much pepper and too much salt because I don't even like it.
Oh, you're not giving me instructions, okay? As per you're my husband.
See, let me tell you, you can say whatever you want to say. That one is none of my business. Cook that food well, oh. Don't put too much salt and pepper. Else I won't eat it. Make it too.
Don't worry.
Pound better.
When you finish, you come
Nah,
back and eat better food. You're going to have some. You better eat there. Monkon and Muamaro, eat there. I'm not fear. I know you need to kind of need.
Come here, I'm talking to you. I said, come back here.
Today, Zeus away. Now, pond.
Stay here, I'm talking to you. Where's that banana you stole?
Which banana?
Let me have the banana.
The banana is there. But it's in my stomach. Now, get out.
Enuma. Yeah, where's the banana?
Hey.
Give it to me.
Today, come on, cut away you.
Me?
Now, cut away.
I'll show you.
Cut away. Come.
Stop! I will deal with this guy today. It's me. Stop fighting me. Stop. Me. Come on. Stop it. What is the problem? What is the problem? You will not believe that this idiot here stole Uridia's banana without having a dime to pay for it.
Even if she did that, why didn't you come and tell me? Am I not your friend? Why are you fighting a woman? Eh? And you, I've told you to stop this your fighting attitude.
It will not end here.
See, I'm just backward now. Just backward.
I'm leaving this guy because of you. Just go. Don't worry.
Come on.
Wait.
Just go. Okay.
You will hear from me.
I will do. Afam.
For crying out loud. Women don't fight.
Eh. So why don't you just want all these stupid people to avoid my trouble in this village? Tell them to avoid enormous trouble in this village. What is it, sir?
Enuma, see, I was going to your house, but because of this rubbish I saw you doing, I won't go to your house again. I'm going back.
Afam, come now. Hey, I can't just. Oh, these people. Afam, tell her now. Afam, come. Afam, wait for me now. Hey, Afam, wait now.
What happened? Why are you the one cooking?
Enuma said that it's my turn to cook. What? You know your daughter.
Enuma. Here. If only this girl knows that the worst poverty in life is not that of money, but that of good character. Huh?
She doesn't know that.
Hey, so since when did this sudden sharing of who is to cook in the house started?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Hey, this girl has beaten more than what she can chew.
As always.
Go to school, Mba. Learn the trade. No way. Do this, foul. Do that, over the bar. All she knows how to do is to fight all over the whole village.
And cause trouble, make enemies. Scatter the whole nation. Anyway, enough of Enuma. Your visit to the doctor, how did it go?
Oh, well, I saw him. He carried out another test on me.
Oh, really?
Yes, and gave me some drugs which I used there.
Okay.
He said one of the nurses will be coming to me at the house to treat me.
Oh, beautiful. At least by then the test will be out.
I hope so.
Don't worry, I will soon finish cooking so you can eat.
Okay. Yeah, thank
Would you like to go inside?
Yes, I think I need to go and lie down and have some rest.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Why you're old? Why you're old? Why you're going to
Hey, one thing I don't understand is how I got to become a friend to a fighter.
You don't know. The reason is that because I am the strongest of all the girls in this village.
Keep quiet, my friend. Naughty girl.
In fact, that reminds me. What did you even say you want to see me for? Why do you want to see me?
Okay, now you want to know.
Yes.
So you really care to know now? Okay, I am going to tell you this. Only on one condition.
Which is?
Which is you promise me here and now that you stop fighting and bullying people. Innocent people for that matter.
I promise. Go on.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
After my promise now.
Good. I want you to go and learn trade.
Trade?
Yes.
Yeah.
You go and learn trade because in that way you stop bullying people.
No, I don't understand though. How do you expect a grown-up person like me? No, man, but to go and learn trade. Nah, but the way I do.
Nobody is too big to go and learn trade. As I am here, I can go and learn any trade that I want. Yes.
I'm going to go and learn now. Am I holding you? No. So go and learn. See, don't disturb me. In fact, this discussion is open. What is it, sir? Pack away.
Enuma, you're working out on me. You see?
Enuma, wake up. Enuma! Sit up, sit up.
Hey! What is it?
Sit up. We need to talk. Talk about what, Mama? I have not been able to sleep. Why? Your lifestyle. Your lifestyle is totally not acceptable. Your father and I can't take it anymore. Eh? Listen. Besides, you are only child. Autism.
Mama, what is the problem with my lifestyle? Eh? What is it? Can't I rest in this house? Eh, Mama? Can't you mind your business and leave me alone in this house? Eh?
Well, you act like a man. You're not a man, you're a woman. And we need you to change. Permanent change, you're not this kind of political change we have around.
Okay. You want change, isn't it?
Permanent change.
You shall change. I will give you change. I will change.
Huh?
Is that all you want?
That's all I want.
I will change. So can I sleep now?
Yes, you can sleep now.
That you be disturbing me, sorry.
You can
You
sleep.
know what I'm dreaming of
Also,
now.
you can sleep.
Please close the door for me.
Good night. Chicken now, chicken now. That's part of being a lady. Good night.
Enuma, let me go. Let me go. And if I don't, what will happen? Leave my way. Okay. So you think you can call all those small boys to come and beat me because of ordinary banana? Banana that is even purging my stomach, madam. Hey! Let me see how they will save you from my troubles. Let me go. Let me go. Osegene, what are you saying? Nina Fagan! This woman, no? Eh? Hey. In fact, this is not the right place to execute this plan. Stand up. Eh? Follow me to where? I am not going anywhere with you. Look at this woman. No? If you don't stand up here, I'm going to finish this skin on your body. I said stand up! Before the counting of 3, stand up. 1, 2, 3. Please, don't hurt me. Well, look at. Carry. Stay at the front. Stay at the front and move. Don't hurt me, oh. Madam, I said move. Now take a chill pill and relax. Now move. Now, please, now, don't do this. Please, don't do this. Remember your health, though. We talked about this thing yesterday. So, please.
Yes, we did. But she continues to repeat it. She will tell me if she's the man of the house.
Wait. Just take it easy. You remember, I had 5 miscarriages before Enuma finally came to us. Let us treat her with love and understanding. Please.
Imedi, you are bringing sentiment into this. Remove sentiment. For these ones, I'm going to burn all of them. I will burn them. Let me see how she's going to behave like a man again in this house.
But if you burn these clothes, what would she wear?
Don't worry. I'll get her a new set of female clothes.
Ah, but you know she will never wear them. Wait now, man.
Let them. Leave this man. Leave them. What is that?
Enuma wa mandoba, Enuma. I don't want to see window bandiavo, Enuma. Obuwoke, I don't know. Obuwanye, I did I'm sure. Kade puko melone mekwazo. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wa mandoba.
Enuma! Na my Nikki! Na chop knock. Ituma!
Manduba.
Na Ituma!
Yayo.
My Nikki! My Nikki! Now come. Now in fact,
Ow!
now very
Power!
Ituma! My Nikki!
Manduba, power!
Yes, sir. Thank you. Now we go see later.
Oh, no.
No, eat the bar. Hey! Papa, why are you burning my clothes now?
Your clothes. Those nonsense clothes you wear and look stupid with everybody. I'm burning them.
Hey! Nah, Papa, wait, you're joking. Mama, is this my clothes? Oh, I don't understand. Is this really my clothes?
Ask your father. Is he not your father?
Nah, see this man. Don't talk with me, oh. See? Nah, it's my clothes, true. Nah, see? You see this man? You see you? Nah, Omame. Nah, Nah,
You look for trouble. Now trouble has landed.
If she comes back here, I will roast her with the clothes. Why will she be wearing men clothes? You see a man?
hey,
Put this gun away. Biko Kanayo.
I'll miss my target, though. Mama, get out of the road. I'll kill this man today. I will kill you today.
Can you see what I'm saying? Which child will want the father dead? Tell her to drop the gun.
Papa, give me 7 reasons where to make you burn my clothes. Or I will kill you now, old man.
Please put the gun away. If you fire now. Not your father.
I will kill you. Papa, hey!
Don't pull the trigger, please. Talk to your daughter.
Don't pull the trigger. He said, don't pull the trigger. Papa,
get away.
Enuma! What are you doing? What is wrong at your parents?
Afam, leave me alone, no. Afam, stay out of this. Let me kill this man.
Afam, leave her. Let her kill me. Let her kill me.
Papa, no, Enuma, please, don't do this. Don't do. It's not right. It's not right, Enuma. Please.
Afam, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Enuma bekene, biagwa mi fibu nobi.
Oburala ko obunobi.
Ifibu nobi na kibu nukunadi.
Hey!
Senge basubu na kande nyege. Oye mama. Enuma, please. For the sake of our friendship, please give me that gun. Please.
Afam, it's because of you.
Please, I know. Please give it to me.
Afam, it's because of you. You know it's because of you. My niggy. It's because of you.
Please, just calm down, oh?
Okay, this old man. See this old man. Mafokwagi, winch. By the time I get to this house, make sure say you buy all those clothes. Else, I will kill you. Afam, want these people. You, okay, I will kill you, this old man. And you this week. Come.
Stop it.
Nah, Afam, leave me alone. Now let me deal with these people.
It's okay, please.
You're lucky.
Please.
You're lucky.
Please, it's okay.
Stupid man. Afam, want these people, want them, I will kill you. I will kill you, old man. Winch. Come. Nah, Afam, come now. Nah, Afam, leave these people, come.
Mama.
Afam! Hey!
I'm so sorry. Please forgive her for her actions. Oh, what are there?
Please keep your sympathy to yourself. So that is where you're going, eh?
Mama, I've not gone to the other before.
How can you use such words on a young man who had just saved my life? If he had not come, I'm sure that your useless order would have killed me.
Mama, Papa, thank you very much. Let me start going.
And make sure you don't touch that obi. Make sure you don't touch that obi.
I'm not touching it.
People know be na dey.
Enuma.
Enuma wa mandoba. Enuma. I don't want to see window bandiavo. Enuma. Okay, I don't know.
Small boy, you want to challenge your father, okay?
Papa.
Eh?
Please stop talking too much.
There's
no age in this game.
Yes, I know, you are right. There's no age in this game. That is why I want to show you that I've been playing this game before I marry your mother. In fact, I paid my first house rent in Kabachan with this game.
Papa, play. Papa,
Eh?
look at someone bringing Mama home.
Nah, stop that. You want to play me a trick, Abi?
Papa, be serious for once.
Hey?
My body.
Okay, hey. Hey! What happened to my wife?
I was on my way to the farm and I saw her tied to a tree.
Eh? Tied to a tree?
Yes, sir.
By who?
I don't know, sir.
Hey!
Mama, who did this to you?
Sir, I better take my leave.
Oh, thank you, eh?
Thank you very much.
What happened to you? Eh?
I was going to the market this morning. And Enuma saw me on my way and stopped.
Hey! Enuma.
She dragged me into the bush. I beat the living hell out of me. She flogged all over my body.
Hey! First, Enuma stole your banana. Now she did all this to you in this village.
Yes.
I'm coming.
Enuma wa mandoba. Enuma. I don't want to see window bandiavo. Enuma. I don't know.
Papa, where are you going to?
I'm up to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. I don't care about Jarema, some back on a bar.
Where is she? I mean, where is your daughter? Where is that distant daughter of yours? Where is she?
Well, what's the problem? And why are you vibrating like a man whose family has been wiped out by war?
Oh yes, my family has been wiped out by war. Where is your daughter? Where is your daughter? Where is she? I said, where is your daughter? Where is she? You see, it is your family that will be wiped out by war. Or your daughter, if you don't provide her right now. Where is she?
Well, what has my daughter done?
Your daughter tied my wife to a tree and flogged the living day out of her. Few days after she stole her banana. What is the problem? Are we the only family in this community? Tell me.
Did you hear that?
No, our daughter is not home. But don't worry, we will deal with her when she comes back. But Pico, forgive her. Yeah? We really apologize for whatever she has committed.
She's very lucky she's not at home. I would have chopped off her head with this machete. Yes. But before I go, I want to drop this warning for her. Tell her to stay away from my family. Because the next time I see her, I'm going to bury her alive. And that is a warning. I am promising you that. Warn your daughter. I will deal with her.
Please, don't be annoyed.
Enuma.
Stop calling Enuma. Stop calling Enuma. Have you seen the devil you gave to me as a child?
Devil I gave to you as a child. Anytime this girl commits some kind of atrocity, you blame me. She is also your daughter.
She cannot be my daughter. She cannot be my daughter. I will not have a devil as a daughter. Yes.
It's an angel you have as a daughter. When you have genes of the devil in you, a natural angel.
I could have given you a gorilla as a daughter.
Mba, you gave me a chimpanzee. My friend. Enuma, did your father and I commit any offense by bringing you into this world? You know your father's condition. Do you want to kill him before his time?
See, Mama, I don't understand this thing you're saying now. Now, park one side now.
You don't understand. Well, for your information, Ichie Obuagu came here today to tell us how you mercilessly beat up his wife. True or false?
Mama, yes, it's the truth.
You mean you beat up his wife? Why would you do such a thing?
Mama, see, let me tell you. That useless woman insulted my personality. Yes. And if she tries that again, I'm going to beat her again, and again.
Get personality na come here. If the person come and follow my nugget, you see. Anyway, for your information, the man has promised to deal with you anywhere he sees you.
Wait, Mama, who said that?
Who else? Ichie said so.
Okay. Mama, take it to him now. Tell him to take a cheap pill and relax. In Anugo?
I'm waiting for him. So this is all you have to say. This is all you have to say.
Mama, don't worry.
Hey! Hey! How? So good you want to.
Yeah? Eluma, what's that your name? What is the meaning of this nonsense? Why are you blocking my way?
What do you think say it be before? It is said that when the gods wants to kill a man, they will first of all
So you are now old enough to stand in my front and talk to me in proverb. Do you even know the meaning of that? Do you know the meaning of what you just said?
Hey! Chai! Oh! Hey! Enoma! Nwamandoba! Look at this old man. See this old man. Come. In fact, I don't get time to talk. Repeat everything you told my parents in front of me, right now.
Look, if you don't get out of my front now, I will deal with you personally. I am going to deal with you myself. Yes.
Eh? So, you think I'm joking with you, Okwaya? Hey! Now this man, remove this thing.
Hey, what? Hey! Do you know the meaning of what you've just done? You remove my cap. An abomination. You remove cap from the head of a red cap chief.
See, let me tell you. Lie on this floor right now.
Eh?
Let me treat your fuck up first. Give
Okay.
me this thing. Nah, they talk.
Hey!
Lie on the floor. Are you okay?
Hey! Hey!
You want to try me?
Hey!
So you think I'm talking with you, Okwaya? Nah, this man.
Hey!
I don't like this thing you're doing. Lie on this floor.
I should lie down.
Yeah.
Me, red cap chief.
No, this is what you saying.
Hey!
Lie on this floor.
You don't get me.
No. Hey. Repeat after me. I say repeat after me. We never, ever interfere in anything that concerns Enoma in this village. Say it now. Today I do. I shall die. Say it now. Nonsense man. Nonsense. Now see, no one. Oh, take a chili pill and relax. You hear me? Take a chili pill and relax. Nonsense man. My boy. Now him fight. I say give me 5. Him 5. Correct man. You think you want to tie me in this village? You want to tie me in this village? I'll deal with you.
I don't care how Jarema, some back on a bar.
Papa, what's happened to you?
Nai, what's the problem? Easy. Ogini, what is it?
You will not believe what that useless girl called Enuma did to me today. She beat me, rolled me on the ground. In fact, she sat on top of me. All my waist is paining me now. Oh!
I told you that girl is evil. You never believed me. Thank God she has taught you your own lesson. I believe you will believe me now.
Papa, so it could not even be that little girl. After you make him out, you are very, very strong.
Bechonogi. What do you know? Wait till you get old like me and see what it is to be beaten by a small girl like that.
She will not do anything.
Will you shut up? Get inside and boil hot water for me to massage your father's waist.
Hey.
Mind, sorry.
A whole red calf chief like me. That girl disgraces me. Hey. Abomination.
I don't care how Jarema, some back on a bar. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting.
You're back. Hey, you must have been worried. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I had to go and see Mazu Bono, whose wife gave birth.
You're welcome back.
Yeah. Anyway, where's your daughter?
I don't know. Since she left the house this afternoon, she hasn't been back. I don't know where she has gone to. I don't know.
Anyway, that's all right. You take these clothes and give to her.
You bought this one?
Yes.
This is beautiful. Hey. Yeah, she will love these though.
Really?
Hey.
These are the kind of clothes she ought to be wearing. Not these clothes meant for men. She's a woman.
You bought a lot too. Ah, this must make her happy. Hey. Do you want to go inside? It's a bit chilly.
Yes, I think I should go inside.
I'll stay here and wait for her.
Okay.
Thank you. Your tea is there.
Okay.
The hot drink.
Thank you.
Nobody can know. Chokeke. I greet you.
You're welcome.
They said when a child does something wrong, he or she should expect something wrong in return. Ichi Ogbuagu, I need you to tell all the elders what you told me today in my house.
I told Iche Idika that your daughter, Enoma, gave me the beating of my life yesterday. She told me, a red cap chief, to sit on the floor. She sat on me. She laid me down and sat on my back. Me, Iche Ogbuagu. Hey!
Aro. Abomination.
Hey. Ichi Okeke, have you heard the abomination your daughter committed? A red cap chief for that matter. Have you heard?
That daughter of yours has caused a lot of harm in this village. And it's high time she is taught a lesson. And if care is not taken, we take the matter to the palace.
Yes. She'll be taught a lesson.
Exactly.
Please, don't go that far yet. Please, I apologize. Think about my health. Please, I apologize sincerely on her behalf. Ichie Ogbuagu, please, Bikono. I apologize. Forgive her. I will talk to her in a language she will understand when she comes back home.
Yes.
Please.
Look at that. Talk of the devil.
Now what is going on here, sir?
Will you shut up there? Mechuano! Idiot! Look at her. Devil of a child that you have become in this family.
See, Papa, mind yourself. Now respect yourself. I don't like this. It's not because you're my father you'll be talking to me anyhow. Respect yourself. I am no. I saw you, Ogbuagu. Okay, you're here. After all I did to you that day, you have the impetus, the charismatism to come here and say rubbish with this your stupid elders. Acquire? No respect. One, no problem.
Have you lost your
Okay.
senses? Have you lost your senses?
Now, Mama, back one side, witch. Back one side, rubbish. See, let me tell all of you. Before I open my eyes, people should just get out of here.
Will you shut up there? Shut up! Are you crazy? Are you mad?
That's what he's saying.
Please.
He's getting out of hand.
Oh, okay, you're still here.
Forgive her.
Oh, okay, you're still here.
I'm sorry, please.
Take a deep breath and relax. Wait for me.
Iche Idika,
Okay, I'm coming.
I don't want to experience what that girl did to me the last time. I am leaving. Alalamo.
I'm leaving too.
Hey, you mean we should go?
I'm already on my way. Not I should. I'm already on my way.
Let's go.
You can come back. Let's finish the discussion. The culprit is back.
Enoma, for crying out loud, how many times will I tell you to stop dressing like a man? You are a woman. You should dress like a woman, not like men. Your mother is in the house. Have you done anything in the house today? And where are you going wearing these stupid dresses?
Now, see this man, no, see, leave me alone, no, leave me alone in this house, oh, leave me alone. Now tell me now, let me answer one question at a time now. Let me know the one I'm answering correctly. Okay, I did not do anything at home because it's Mama's turn to do the housework today. So, and secondly, I am going out because I have important place I'm going to.
Thunder, fire your mouth. That stupid mouth of yours. You stupid girl. I close my eyes now. Go back inside the house.
Onye Nkwananta, happen mo. Nah, I don't understand though. Nah, this man said.
Go inside the house.
Anyway, online. Tell me what? Is it your father you're talking to like that? Eh? I thought you promised me last night that you were going to change.
Abia, see change. People that have promised change, have they done change? Nah, Mama happen mo. See, as far as I'm concerned, there's no change in this world. You know, change my foot. Nah, for no, nah.
Can you see your daughter? Can you see your daughter? Have you seen her? Anyway, I know what exactly to do. I know what to do.
Besides, she said park well.
Yes.
Okay, to park well.
She told me to park well. Am I a car or a driver that I'm parking well?
No, you know she's a boy now. Okay. And she understands that it's only men that park. Women don't park.
Hey! It's alright. I know what to do. I know what to do. Lady, hurry up with the water now.
I'm here.
Thank you, my dear.
You'll be fine, no? You'll be fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Make it easy.
Thank you.
Now back one side, okay? See, take a cheap pill and relax. Now pay now. As it gets one. What is wrong with you, sir? Oh, hey.
You have been sitting here all evening. Why don't you come inside and sleep?
Nani, how can I sleep when my daughter is out there? Eh? Who knows if she's safe?
I don't know why you keep bothering yourself over a girl who has refused to be useful to herself and the family.
Nani, what do you mean by that? See, I don't care. I do not care. That girl is my only child, and I love her irrespective of whatever she does.
Now I know. You are the one that spoiled this child.
You can say whatever you like, Biko. Just...
Anyway, I am inside resting. When you are tired of waiting, feel free to join me.
Nani, go and rest. You're the one that is sick.
Ganja.
Enuma. Look at the time you're coming back. Eh? Where have you been? You're even drunk.
Come. This woman. What kind of question is this? Nah, cut away. You go and ask that your stupid, useless husband.
Let me help you. Let me take you inside.
Don't touch me again, no. Don't touch me again. Witch. You want to use this your witch hand and touch me? Cut away.
I know I'm a witch and my hands are whatever, but at least let me help you inside.
See! Cut away you! See! You're even worse than a witch. You're worse than a witch.
Here is the bed.
Ah! I said leave me alone, this woman. Don't touch me. Here is the bed.
Go straight. Shake it. Ow! Oh no. It's all right. Oh! Get up. Get up now. Where?
Is it this?
Enuma, get up and eat.
Oh, leave me alone.
Enuma, you need to eat something before you sleep. Enuma.
Oh. Don't touch me.
When you wake up, you will eat. By then the drink will have cleared from your eyes. Nah, I want to rush to the market to get some food stuff. Yes.
Do you have enough money on you?
Oh, of course. Right inside my wallet. Alright, let me hurry up.
Yes, don't keep long.
Trust me, I'll be back before you know it. Take care.
Hey!
Why, your man?
but it's good. Papa, good morning. Papa, I know you're very, very angry over what happened yesterday. Huh? Please forgive me, please.
Yeah. So, the word sorry can actually come out from this mouth of yours.
Of course, Papa. Eh? Papa, am I not a human being? Huh? I'm sorry.
No, you are worse than an animal. Yeah.
But you know I'm your dad now. Please forgive me. Please, huh? Namuku. Namuku. I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Papa, now.
It's okay.
Thank you.
I forgive you.
Papa, thank you. Papa, where is Mama now? Since I woke up, I've not seen her. Where is she now?
Your mother went to the market to get few things for the house. Hmm?
Oh. Okay. Okay.
So, no, ma.
Oh, Papa.
Please, get me my drugs from inside the house.
Oh, okay, Papa. Okay. Papa, take a chill pill and relax, okay? I'm coming. Let me get it.
What took you so long?
Now see, Papa, you're starting with this too much questions here. I have a lot of things to do inside, and that's why I'm coming out by now. Now, happen more. Take your medicine now.
Look at this idiot. Hey, Numa. I sent you go and get me my drugs. You went inside there and started to do other things. Don't you know that these drugs are important to me? Or you want my sickness to get worse?
Papa, what? Is it not your mates that have been dying? Now see, go and die, oh. Happen more. Stop giving me problems, so. Now take these drugs now. Take this thing. Nonsense. Every time I know my this, I know my that. See, respect yourself, this man, no. Don't come and disturb him. I have a better place I want to go to.
Hi. You're back.
Yes.
You want Ube? Not now. Keep it for me.
Yeah, Enoma, take this bag in. Hey, God, wow. Hey, Enoma, Itala. Come, this woman. I don't understand, though. Do you take me as your house girl? Ha!
know my this, I know my that. I know I'll be the one that you want to give this thing now. See, let me tell you, just take this thing inside and go and cook. I don't want too much of and too much salt. I know my this. Am I your house guest, eh? No, Bonuzo, Pafo. See, don't put that. Don't put too much salt and pepper. I don't like too much salt and pepper. Enuma, come back here. Every time Enuma, come back here. This girl.
Enuma, I don't want to see window bandiavo. Enuma, Obuwoke, I don't know. Obuwanye, I did I'm sure.
Nee, you needed to see the embarrassment that girl that called herself Enuma gave to me. As if that was not enough, she chased me to my house. Eh? You don't mean it? My dear, if not for my father who came to my rescue, she would have fought me in my own house. Come, you say listen. What did you say? Eh? Hey, I'm going to beat the fat. I'm going to beat the living daylight out of you right now. That's why I followed you down to this. Look at this girl. Come, do you know who I am? I am Enuma. Enuma. So you followed me to this place just to engage in a fight with me?
Hey, this girl, oh. Hey, this girl, oh. See, let me tell you, as far as Enuma is in this village, I can enter anywhere. And that's why I followed you down to this place. Enuma, Biko, for my sake. Uju, stay out of this. If you don't want me to bounce on both of you right now, stay out of this, Uju. Yeah, please, face her, please.
Uju, what did you just say? She should face me?
See, I don't have strength for any troubles at all. You people should just finish what you just started, please. Come, Ada, you told me you're strong, isn't it? Eh? Ada, you told me you're strong, Okwaya? Today, we shall see who is stronger. Hear me here. Nah, I'm talking too much. I don't like talking too much. What are you saying, sir? Ada!
Fire me, make I fire you. Fire me, make I fire you. Fire me to fire you. Fire me, make I fire you. Fire me, make I fire you.
I don't feel you. I don't come here.
Hey!
I don't come here.
Hey! Abomination. This is abomination. Enuma, you, what could be after them? Or could it be that Ada has entered into Enuma's pot of soup? Look, if that be it, then I am sorry, there is nothing I can do for you. But Enuma, you are very lucky that you did not throw away my bottle of Shina. The both of us would have burst into Daily Sun or Vanguard. But anyway, listen. In fact, Dikeh was here. Look at me. A whole me. A red crab small chief. You threw me away on the ground. You are going to pay 20 goats. 50 cow. Him. Lizard. Look at, you are a very fine lizard. You see, you know one thing about lizards I like is that they praise themselves. Come, let us drink. Come and have a taste of my shina. You see what the shina just did here now? It resurrected me. Because this girl has almost killed me here. Come and drink with me. This is come and I like you. You are a human being. In fact, you are even better than human beings. Because your own you don't toil, you don't go to farm, but you eat. You see why I like me now? There must be a time the community they must provide something for me to eat. Alright. But anyway, Enuma, I have not forgotten. I'll be back for you. Fire me to fire you. Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. My ancestors. That is for you. That is for you. That is God from Enuma.
Enuma, I don't want to see window bandiavo. Enuma, okay, I don't know. Obuanye, I did I'm sure. Can you go melone me quazo? I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma, woman.
Why are you panting like this?
Nah, it's sad news. I mean, something bad just happened.
Like what?
You will not believe that Enuma's father, Ichiokeke, is dead.
Ichiokeke?
He's dead.
Dead?
He died this morning. So sad. After suffering from this long cough and disease, he just died.
Hey.
So sad.
This is sad news.
Very sad.
Ah. Okay, in that case, let me go and see Enuma and her mother.
No problem, but the mother is not around. The mother has actually followed the corpse to the mortuary, but Enuma is in the house with some people.
Let me see her then. Hey!
Crying will not solve the problem. Stop crying. Now, I've gone through all this before. Take heart. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. For your mother, please. Please. Don't let her see you like this. You will break her heart. Because of your mother.
What is this I'm hearing about your father?
Papa, my papa don't work out.
Walker go where?
Papa, my papa don't die now.
Hey. This is a bad news.
Papa,
What happened?
Maybe ask me who am I at now. My papa don't die. Don't leave me go.
It's okay. It's okay, man. Stop crying.
No.
Crying will not solve this matter.
Papa, am I crying?
See tears now.
But my father is dead now.
It's okay.
No, I need to cry. I need to cry.
Just be strong. Just be strong and take heart. Oh?
No, I need to cry, Papa.
It's just a pity. Hi. Oh. It's okay. Stop crying.
No, my papa don't go. He said it's okay, Nebe. It's okay. No, Papa, my father don't die.
It's okay. Stop.
Oh,
I am not supposed to. Oh, please, I want you to make do with this. This is what I have left. As a matter of fact, I am not supposed to possess this kind of money. What I have is pounds. But because when I landed in the airport, all this immigration and people who were clearing goods and all that, they made me change. In fact, I gave them pounds. And in return, this is what they gave me. They said, this is my change. So I want you to make do with this in a note time. By the time I change my pounds from what it is to what it is not, I will have enough to give to you. You can come back by then. And I have a lot of drinks in the bag here. And I will also give you some money. So take this one. Make do with it.
What am I hearing, Enuma?
Now, what are you even hearing?
That you now beat the elders of this land. Even ask one to sit on the floor the other day, Enuma.
Now, what is it, Seth? It's been a long time, Seth. Is it not that Dikeh, whatever they call him?
It's even true. Enuma, what is wrong with you? What are you doing to yourself? Don't you know you're bringing curse upon yourself and your family?